Make shit 21, that's how we make it lit. Show these weaknesses, we stay equipped with these lyrics. Cryptic, descendant, taking the day shift or night shift. What the fuck, homie? We fucking stay with the bliss.
Hell nah, I got it. I don't give a damn, mate. Stay connected. Wanna see me wildin'? Matter of fact, I'ma top it. Hey dawg, we motherfucking damn bill, ain't no dropping. Hey dawg, this fucking thing, I don't give a damn, man, I'm off the chain. Niggas gotta stay out my lane, I don't give a damn, man, about the fame. I don't care about the climb up. Hey dawg, won't drop down, bro. Niggas wanna see boy, hey, I'm in the fucking damn line like I don't give a damn if I see my dog with these real nights. Hey, my name Mike Dog, I'm a motherfucking damn gon' take flight. Hey dog, man, on the ass. Real niggas, man, I got the gas. I don't give a damn, moving fast, and I put it down, boy, I'm on the task. Hey dog, wanna try to mask. Hey nigga, but the bitch you can't. I don't give a damn, dog, and my truth built like a fucking tank. I don't give a damn what you think I ain't. Hey dog, I'm a real deal. Man, this still, I don't give a damn, dog, real shit, I'm thinking real.
Take it to the bank, take it to the bank. About to feel the shank, and them boys, let them know, ain't a prank. What the fuck you wanna come around here, Brownsville? Like I said, shit don't sink, shit is not late. Moving on time, then you see the trace. What the fuck, run that race, try to keep up with the pace. But I know them rhymes are so cliche, I got bars beyond the stars. Archive, let bars fly, and then they lost. I mean, I gotta collide with something that's real, telling people what's really happening, how things are concealed. Knowing the deal, know how it comes together. Light as a feather, we can see cannot ever reach this tier. They know it's happening, snapping, and we rapping, man. And it's all a calamity, and we ain't even tell the family. Shit is moving, dog.
Well, I understand that these niggas, man, they wanna hate, but let me tell you the truth, hey. Off the top, we bustin' grapes, and the top, we gon' drain. Probably on the blood of your mug, because you try to play us with that cub. Hey, dog, with nothing up in that bitch, but I don't give a damn. Stuff in that motherfucker with lyrics and shit. They show me the feel the shit. I don't give a damn, build a kid. Hey, I'm an old man, dog, spiritual shit. If you understand, but I don't give a damn, boy, it's the man. The motherfucking climate, the winds is underhand. I don't give a damn, dog, what you think really in your plans. I put it down. These niggas like Damien in advance. Hey,
how you want it, make shit around here, ain't a sham. Like I said, that's my homie, though that shit will be outlandish. Fucking stack it to the ceiling till they slam it. Know what's happening, dog, it ain't a scam. Like I said, we going ham, messing with them rhymes by design, dog. Like I fucking said, watch them as they come and cram it all into a rhyme and fucking make them play some displacement. What the fuck, you might just get a tan from the heat as we leave them in the street. Fucking lost with the cost. What the hell, we not claiming to be the boss. Got that sauce and that shit, how it moves, and we do the fucking most fucking prove. Dog, hey, we never tryna be pawns, never tryna be caught up in this place, dog, and we ain't tryna be hard on this microphone, cypher blown, and say it every day. Just put it on display and watch them lay in the
hey, I be licking, I ain't even tricking, boy, they got the sickness. It's like that Rona going round when that bomb is ticking. Hey, dog, be a witness, ain't no competition. What you wishing, niggas wanna see me, it's just a superstition. Hey, dog, come see it, dog, the straight up most. Hey, if I die, I come back, it's like a ghost. I don't give a damn, I love the rose, but I ain't got a pose. A nigga like you wanna see me and try to play me close. probably the realest thing you could ever do. Gain some juice. I don't give a damn, dog. I ain't gotta play the few. Hey, dog, I play the game, boy, I'm not a mute. I tell you fools, but y'all don't understand what gorillas do. Hey, dog, when we doing things, we break some change. I don't give a damn. These niggas probably be some fucking lames. What's their names? You won't remember in history. Hey, dog, and they said I was gonna be a mystery.
Tell me.